Hey, what's up, Internet? It's Kris Krug, and I'm here with Sam Huo. How's it going?
I'm doing good.
How's my pronunciation? I think I got it wrong. Huo.
Oh,
Huo.
yeah.
All right, cool. Sam's a community leader in the tech scene here in Vancouver, and we're here together at the Cloud Summit Vancouver. Tell me a little about what you've seen around here today.
Yeah, there's a lot of really cool stuff, a lot of cool booths going on. I think the ones that stand out to me are by the major cloud providers.
Yeah.
AWS, Azure, and Google.
It's
And
so
they're-
cool. They're all in the same room, like tables right next to one another, and like people are able to like literally compare, talk to them and stuff. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, exactly. I think they're like doing some cloud battle or something.
Yeah, I don't know, cage match or something like
Yeah,
that.
exactly.
Do you know what they're actually testing? What the actual test is going to be between them?
No, I actually don't. We'll
Yeah.
see what happens.
Yeah, we'll go reporting on that after this. But yeah, I just wanted to take a minute, sit down and talk with you. I know that you are running a lot of different kind of entrepreneurship things for Vancouver tech people and stuff, and you've been involved in a bunch of communities that I've stumbled across. In fact, I saw Sam this weekend leading from the bottom at the old Building with AI event out at the Google Developer Garage. Tell us a little about that event.
Yeah, the event was organized by Google Developer Group Surrey. We were hosting Build with AI. So if you're familiar with Google Developer Groups, they're community-based. It's sponsored by Google. They send out a lot of their experts, Google experts, to come to the events, give presentations, show off their technologies and stuff like that. They really focused a lot on their Gemini and their APIs. They try their best to make it easy for developers to like build in their cloud and stuff like that. The event, I think, went really well. There was like 150 to 200 people that showed up.
I loved it, man. I loved it. I loved the lady gave a very developer-centric talk on generative AI and creativity, which I appreciated because so many of the talks tend to be more from a user's perspective, but she was talking about it from a development perspective, and I appreciated that quite a bit. I liked the lady's HR talk, like the ladies using AI to get hired in an awesome job or whatever. I actually found it useful, and it was like, she had a playful format. And yeah, and what did you like?
So I focused a lot on running the event.
Yeah.
But I think the ones that you brought up are really good.
Yeah.
So there was the lady, she talked about like optimizing your resume, optimizing your LinkedIn profile.
She had
using
great
AI.
sass. And she was like calling people out and like really, it was good energy.
Yeah. And
I mentioned like the leading from the bottom comment because you were helping out a lot. Sam was like running food and running drinks and just these events they take quite the orchestra and it's pretty crazy that on your downtime, you just are organizing all these like community events and stuff, especially with your consulting clients and your startup and your family and all that. But I really respect it. That's actually one of the reasons I'm sitting down here right now is I see what you're up to. I support you. I think you're giving people good advice. I saw your talk at Togi's Dev Talks 2, I think, or Dev Talks 1. And yeah, I'm picking up what you're putting down out there.
thank you.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it.
Tell me a little bit about what you see emerging here in this Vancouver tech scene. It seems like the heart is really starting to beat.
Yeah, for sure. I think for a really long time, people didn't really see much of Vancouver as a tech scene. But I think we're emerging as a tech scene. A lot of great people, like, there's a lot of talent here already. We just really need people to notice it. And we're so close to the US. We're in very similar time zones to Seattle, San Francisco, etc. We're just waiting for people to notice it.
Great. Where can people track you down?
You can find me on LinkedIn, and you can also find me on Twitter. I'm Sam Huo. So you can find me at both those places.
Awesome. Thanks a lot for sitting down here with me today. And let's go back and check out the rest of the talks.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Over and out, Internet.